if you want to insert or add data to the MySQL table, then how will you do that? So for that, the syntax is insert into, then the table name, then bracket starts, and then the column names, each of which will be separated by a comma, and then bracket close, and then space, and then values, and then bracket starts, and then respective value for each column, which will be within quotes, and then bracket close, and then semicolon. So that is the syntax of how to insert the data to the MySQL table. Now we will try to do that. So we will just go to the phpMyAdmin, and here we can see this is the structure of the table, where we are having 4 columns: testing, location, date of birth, and telephone number. So we will just try to remember all of the names, and then we can just go to SQL, and here we are having the column names. Okay, so we will just use a memory for that, and insert into, the table name was example, and then a new line, and here bracket starts. So the first column name was, we can just open that in a new tab. Here the testing is the number 1, so we can just type testing separated by location, date of birth, and then the last one was telephone number, and then bracket close, and then new line, and then values, and then new line, and here we can have, so this was a varchar type or varchar, whatever you want to pronounce it as, and then just type, for example, apple. This is absolutely random, so we are just typing anything, while the actual data will be more meaningful, and there will be more meaningful column names. And here in this case we can have the year, then we will be having the date, so date, so year followed by month followed by date, and then a new column which is telephone number. It can be a series of numbers, and then bracket closes, and then semicolon. And now we will try to run this query, and it has inserted the data successfully. And how to see that? Just click on example, which is our table, and here we can just click on browse. So here we can see we are having one row which is having these values. So apple is under the testing column, then location was New York, which was the second column, and then we had the date of birth, which was a random date, and then we were having the column 4, which was of telephone number, with these values. So this is how you insert data into a table in MySQL. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.